This video I'm gonna share with you that the stay experience at Grand Mercure, Seminyak. 2-night stay. I'm gonna show you the room, the facility, the platinum guest member benefits, and anything I will share with you that you should know. So if you are riding a bike, you have to park right at the back. Then let's go to the lobby for check-in now. Here is the lobby. What is this? I think that will be a performance something. So check-in should be right over there. The lobby here is quite spacious. I quite like it. So yeah, let's go to check-in now. So today my stay will be in the deluxe room. I booked for the street view room, and then as a platinum guest I got an upgrade to garden view. So I'm going to show you the deluxe room in a bit, and then the facility as well. Now inside my room, the deluxe garden view. So first thing I need to show you will be the view. It's literally a garden view. I quite like it though, because how to unlock this? Close. Okay, lift up to unlock. Even though the basic room it has a balcony, which is a very cool thing, and I like the greenery thing. I'll be very happy to sip my coffee here and then do my work. So here is my room. Let's start from this mini bar. Oops, sorry. It's empty, and all the drawers here are empty. They provide instant coffee, Earl Grey English breakfast, 2 bottles of drinking water, and the drawer is empty. I love that at the bedside or mini bar, there's a 2 universal power plug, and 1 universal power plug here, and 2 USB port right on the bedside with the switch on. And the working decks had 2 universal power plug, 2 USB port, and the LAN cable, phone cable. And this is a fan switch. Oh, it's very good. So if you don't like the air conditioning, just on the fans is good. Then the light switch for the decks and the balcony. Empty. It's okay. I can do my works there. It's perfect. Let's see. Oh, it's a smooth bed. I love it. I think it's a very cool king size, right? It looks like a king size bed. I tested the TV. The TV is not a smart TV. So it's just a regular TV. Now you have universal power plug there, so you can put your luggage here and then charge your devices right beside the luggage. Then on this big side, there's another universal power plug and 2 USB port with the empty drawer. Then the day bed is just right beside the shower room. It's a very cool thing. So you can roll here to the bathtub, from the bathtub and roll over here. So let me show you. Oh, it's cool. Hang on. This switch is quite cool, very big. It looks like quite a cool thing. Not really working for the quiet mode. Here is a closet. Very spacious. The big safe right over here. The laundry bag. To wash your clothes, a suit will be 65,000. Reasonable price. Then very tiny hair dryer, then 2 bedroom slipper, 2 bathrobe, then a full-length mirror right at the door side, and here is the bathroom. You can overlook at the room with the window open. Then there is a bath foam. Wow, this is so cool, something new to me. The body lotion, soap, what is this, shower cap, sanitary bag, vanity kit, chewing kit, 2 brushes, and 2 extra drinking water bottle. And oh, this is very extra. Then the mirror with the light on. Then I love the toilet come with the spray bidet. You can wash everything very clean. Rain shower and handheld shower with the bath gel and shampoo. I love this little space can put my skincare products. Hey, so the next one I'm going to show you will be the facility and the breakfast. Now let me check how clean is the bed. Okay, lovely. A little bit of stain right over here. I believe should be some some water, some beverages. So overall, I can see that the rooms here from the UV light is still very clean. Even though the bathroom. Oh, let me check the towel. Let me see whether the towel is clean or not. Okay, everything is clean. Even though that the bathtub is very clean. Lovely. Now let me test the bed for you. It's very smooth. I like. Oh, it looks like a hard bed. Oh, it's a hard bed. When I jump over, I don't really see much of dust floating around. Let's see. Very sturdy bed. The pillow won't move that much. And let's check the pillow, the front pillow. Oh, that is the pillow that I love. It's very comfortable. Oh, actually two of the pillows are very nice. I like it very much. I was about to lie down and then I checked the pillows again. And can you see there is a stain around here on the left side? And there is a stain right over here on the right pillow, the middle of the right pillow. That is a stain, looks like someone has sat on it. So it's very important to have a UV torchlight to check whether the place is clean or not. Here is a swimming pool. You can sit right over there to enjoy the drinks with the music. And then that's the adult pool. And another pool right at the back will be the lap pool. And further down, I'm going to show you later, will be the kids pool and the facility. In this morning, I saw lots of people. They are just laying down right here. It looks quite comfortable. So I'm going to show you the lap pool, which is a pool that slightly deeper. The pool here looks cool. With some of the height is quite okay, and then this one is more slightly deeper. So you've got the room that is near to the pool side. You can jump down from the room. So I'm going to show you the kids pool now. So here is where you can chill whole day, and there is a kids pool and the playground is just right at the front. So what you need to do is like you have to bring your kids here. If you're going to swim, you have to go to the other pool. It's a good idea as well. It will make up the adult pool more quiet. Okay, let me show you the gym. I think there's no one inside. Here is the gym. 2 treadmill, 1 bicycle, 1 elliptical, and some of the dumbbell, 1 bench, and then dumbbell has the weight that good enough for me. The mirror, and I overlook at the kids pool. And the best thing is like they do have drinking water as well, and also the towel. Only they don't have the wet tissue, but they have the yoga mat right over here. In the gents, there is no shower facility. Oh, that's interesting. So it's only a toilet here. Oh, sorry. There's 1 shower facility over here, and then a toilet with a bidet. Then the sauna is here. Let me see if I can on the light. Oh, okay. So this is how the sauna looks like. There's no one using it. It's still cold inside. Here is a kids club. It's quite decent kids club. And then there will be a stuff over there. Yeah, so here the facility. It's a kids club. It's open 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Let me show you what you can get from the breakfast right over here. So this is the noodle stations. You will have to poach the noodle and then get the soup. And this is the egg station. Good morning. Here is the mixed omelette and the hard-boiled egg, green chili fried rice. Looks like this, and with the cracker, pickle. This is a kids corner, which is fried chicken. What is somi?
Well, I'm not sure what is somi. And then this is siu mai, and then penny bolognese. The name tag had to change. And over here there are 4 different types of cereal, and then mango yogurt, plain yogurt. The butter is beautifully put like this. Oh, today they have sushi. I did not see the sushi yesterday. Cheese, coconut, then pastry, the bread pudding. Then this is the bread, lots of the bread. Then you can toast it if you want, and then the condiment and the jam, beautifully pastry, beautifully displayed, and then the cut fruits. This is called pisang mas. I never heard about that, and I hate this. This snake skin fruit is called salak. Then this is the local orange. Okay, let's go further down. Right at the front, there are some potato. It's called dice. Then fried noodle looks like this. Then vegetable gravy. Then grilled corn, big bean, roasted chicken black pepper sauce, then grilled tomato, beef sausage, beef bacon. That's a display only. So the dim sum is like this, something like siu mai and bao. Then the salad, cut fruits, 4 different types of dressing. This is the Indian station. Dal and puri, 3 chutney, and this is a fish curry for the dal, like the puri. And then lovely. So today is a different thing. The tempeh, fried tofu, fried egg, and then ambon chicken. This is called nasi jingo. It looks like this. I'm not sure what is that. Nasi jingo, also known as a jingo rice, the Balinese ready-to-eat street food. Then the condiment is right over here. Then the dessert, bobo hitam, and kuih kuih. Sorry, I had a little bit hangover. Too much alcohol yesterday. Then they also have the pork bacon. The pork bacon will put special in a corner like this. Show very big size picture of pork, but not a crispy one. They steam it a little bit. Then here is a traditional tonic water from Bali. Ginger honey and turmeric water. Then 4 different types of juice. This one looks good. Mixed juice with the pineapple. And I love this the most. The porridge is really good. So you got this porridge or congee. Then you mix with this water. Then here's a condiment, the shredded chicken. You have to add on this. Then pancake and waffle. If you want some coffee, you can get the coffee over here and tea. But trust me, ask the barista to make the cappuccino taste better. So here's the breakfast. Surprisingly, I think that the breakfast is very good. I'm going to check out in a bit, and I'm going to share with you the stay experience is actually not bad. Sadly, the platinum benefits here is like not really work out. I don't have late checkout until 4. 1 p.m. is the latest that I have to ask again and again to get the late checkout at 4. Room upgrade will be a better view, garden view. I quite like this garden room because it's very quiet. The soundproof is amazing. The air conditioner is good. I happy to have this fan. Like I don't have to switch on the aircon very cold, and yet like circulation is very good.
The hair dryer is bad. It's very tiring. Even my hair is very short. Yeah, I still need to take some time to dry my hair. So any friends of you, you are having long hair, you need to bring a better hair dryer over here and a hair conditioner. There's no hair conditioner. It's like my hair is like super dry. Breakfast is surprisingly okay. I'm quite happy with the breakfast. Two breakfasts here is like very good. Then staff here are very professional. They do remember me. What else? The bed okay. I have a very good sleep quality. Like every morning I try to. It's very hard to drag myself up to get up. I have not go to the beach from this hotel. I went to another beach, so I'm not sure how the walk to the beach is easy or not. But I do have friends stay in the same hotel. They walk to the gay bar. It's like 15 minutes walk. Bali Joe, F Club, Mixwell, and G Club. So those gay bar are very good. They have a go-go boy show and also the drag queens show. Then yeah, with that, oh yeah, it's a very funny thing that they will hang a note and then call you to check whether are you okay or not because you are not letting the housekeeping to enter and clean up the room. I think it's a little bit weird and also a sweet schedule to make sure you are okay. Maybe a lot of people die in the hotel. So with that, I hope you like this video. I hope that this video is helpful for you to make the decision to stay here. I like it. I did not use the pool, but I see a lot of the guests like they just lay at the pool like almost half of the day. Okay, bye bye.